This is Pat Lee, and you're listening to Math World. Now, here's the questions. Can you guess how the human hand, the petals of certain kinds of flowers, and even some famous painting could be related mathematically? Well, if you have no idea, our questions of the day from listener Lucy Warren in Rhode Island will help you. Miss Worry asks, I heard a lot about the Fibonacci sequence lately. What exactly is it? For an answer, we contacted Professor of Mathematics, Dr. James Quist. Hello, Dr. Quist. Can you tell us a little about the Fibonacci sequence to answer Miss Worry's questions? Well, that's great questions, especially since the sequence is around so many forms and many people have no idea about it. It's really very intriguing what's aware of it. First, what the sequence is the series of the numbers, and in the sequence, each number is the sum of the preceding two numbers. In other words, you add two numbers together to get the next one. Let's look at starting. The numbers are 1, 2, 3, 5, and 8. So, if we add the first two numbers, 1 and 1, we get 2. We did the third number. Then 1 and 2 equal 3. We did the fourth number. Then 1 and 2 equal 3. We did the fifth number, and so it continues. So, let's see. Each number is the sum of the preceding two numbers. And the sequence can just go on and on? Yes, that's right. And what's so amazing about this sequence shows up around so many ways. It appears in the natural world. Natural form tend to reproduce a sequence. For example, flower, pine cones, and seashell. Look at the petals on the flower. They are more likely to be 5 petals than 4. The spirals in the seashell also involves number of the sequence. It's not easy to see with flower, but the measurement of the spirals are number of the sequence. Some people even mention the human hand when talking about the sequence. We have 2 hands, each of them have 5 fingers, and each finger has 3 parts separated by 2 knuckles. All of these are numbered the sequence. Maybe it's just a coincidence or maybe not. And it's not just natural world, it's also in the art world. It appears in a lot of art. Probably the most famous is the work of Leonardo da Vinci. You see a lot of spiral in his painting, and the spirals are the 4 most associated with Fibonacci sequence. It also appears in a lot of musics. One bar to piece on this sequence in the way the musical patterns repeat. Now it's not clear what the body constantly or not. Interesting. Who discovered all this? It was discovered by a mathematician in Italy in early 1200s. His name was Leonardo of Pisa, but he called himself Fibonacci because his father's name was Bonacci. Anyway, he was an extraordinary mathematician. He actually introduced the decimal system to other mathematicians of the time. So, mathematicians had known about the sequence for a long time? Yes. Now your listeners say that you heard a lot lately about the Fibonacci sequence. It seems like interest in this area kind of comes and goes in popularity. Lately it has been more popular. I think it's great. It's fascinating, and if it gets people interested in math and numbers, then all the better. It is fascinating. Thank you so much, Dr. Quist. You're welcome.